In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search Outlook keywords efficiently in just a few minutes. If your inbox feels overwhelming, this method will help you quickly find the emails you need without endless scrolling. First, open your browser and head to the Outlook login page. If you're not signed in, click the Sign In button, enter your email and password, and you'll land on your Outlook dashboard. From here, click on Mail. This is where all your conversations, meeting invites, and important updates live. Now focus on the search bar at the top. Click inside the bar and then select Filter. Filters are incredibly powerful because they let you narrow down results by sender, date, categories, or attachments. Next, find the Keywords section and type in the specific word or phrase you're looking for. If you remember even a single word from an email, this tool can point you straight to it. Once you've entered your keyword, refine the results by combining more filters, like sender names or time frames, so your search becomes faster and more precise. And that's it. You've just learned how to search Outlook with keywords the smart way.